Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add yellow basket in Tik Tok Shop. So first of all, make sure that you switched your account from personal account to business account. Next step, I'm gonna just click the plus button right here and I'm gonna just upload the products that I want. So let's say for example I want to upload this one. Alright, and after we uploaded this picture, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just hit next. So if you switched your account and established your store on your TikTok, you will see the add link right here under the content disclosure. You will see right here many options. If you clicked add a link, and you will see many products that's similar to your product, right? And after we select the product, all right, you will see multiple showcase for this product. And after we chosen the product that is similar to your product, you're gonna just add the details to, or add the product name to your product right here. And after we add it, you will see yellow basket in the add link section. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.